How to add story highlights on Facebook. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. Also, don't forget to check the description box as you'll find some great offers and amazing giveaways that you might be interested in. With that said, let's get started. Now, let's go ahead and open up Facebook. And you can add story highlights in two cases. The first one is if your story is still live on your main page, and the second one is if your story has been gone from your main page. Say for example, you posted a story a week ago, a month ago, and now you want to add it as highlights. This is how you do it. The process is the same for both of them. I'm just going to show you here where you can find the past stories. So once you navigate to your profile, you need to click on these three dots right here and then click on archive, then click on story archive, and here you will find your past stories. But as I said, the process is the same. So I'm going to use my live story since I don't have any past ones. So click on the story, and then once you are here you want to click on the star icon at the top right corner, and this will bring you to the story highlights section, in which you will be able to add the title, say for example memories, and you can also add more to your highlights. I'm going to add this one right here, which will be added to the same story highlight. And also you can choose a cover, so you can pick this one from the added stories to the highlight, or you can also pick one from your phone and use it. Say for example, I'm going to use this one right here, and once you are done, just click on save. It will be uploaded to your profile. Now it's saving the features, so let's go ahead and navigate to my profile. Let's refresh it, and as you can see, the highlights has been added here as memories, and it can be, you can also add new one directly from here. It's that easy and simple. So that was it for this video. That's how you can add story highlights on Facebook. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.